So coming to the mechanism of action of the botulinum toxin. So for this mechanism of action, you must know the nerve structure. Like this is the nerve, this is the neuromuscular junction, and this is your muscle, right? So when the impulse is coming, when the nerve impulse is coming, what happens is there are synaptic vesicles present, and these synaptic vesicles, they have a neurotransmitter in them which is known as acetylcholine. This is the acetylcholine. So when the nerve impulse is coming, what happens is this synaptic vesicle, they break open. These synaptic vesicles break open and the acetylcholine is released. And this acetylcholine, when it is released, it goes into the muscles and it causes the contraction of the muscles. That is how the wrinkles appear. Now what happens, how does this synaptic vesicle come here and how does it break down? This is due to the presence of 3 proteins which are known as snare proteins. So snare proteins, they help in the docking of these vesicles to this area and the breakage of the acetylcholine. Now what happens when we inject botulinum toxin into this area? So it is the local action of the botulinum toxin. That botulinum toxin will cut these proteins. So when these proteins are cut, there will no longer be any proteins to dock these vesicles into the neuromuscular junction. And when there is no acetylcholine released, there will not be any contraction of the muscles, and thus the muscles will be in a kind of relaxed state, and that is also known as flaccid paralysis kind of thing. So this the action of the botulinum toxin remains there from almost 4 months to 6 months.